Hey, welcome to episode 42 of Credit 101. So, in this episode, we're going to talk about what you guys should do once the accounts are actually deleted or corrected on your credit reports. No, it's some things that I want you all to do. So, first, I want you to know that unverified accounts must be removed from your credit reports. So, for some reason, if they're not verifying these accounts, please make sure that you're letting them know they're unverified and they need to get deleted. Okay. Now, once they delete these accounts, make sure that you ask the credit bureaus to make sure that they notify all the creditors or collectors that the account is being deleted. So, once they say, hey, we're going to delete the account, make sure that you let them know, hey, make sure that you notify them to update their accounts too so that they don't report this account again, because they can sometimes report that account again using that same information because the credit bureau is deleted but the creditor or collector did not remove it. So now they're still updating the same information. So make sure you let the credit bureaus know to do this. They should already know to do this, but I still would just call them to make sure, because this is a big deal. Okay. Now, usually when you guys are getting these accounts deleted, they're usually deleting them from that credit bureau, whoever you're talking to. Maybe it's TransUnion said they're going to delete it, Equifax or Experian. If it's the credit bureau that's deleting it, make sure that you guys get a copy of that deletion and make sure you guys send it to all the other credit bureaus that are still reporting that account. So if TransUnion deleted, make sure you send a copy of that deletion to Equifax and Experian, letting them know, hey, the other two credit bureaus deleted this account. You need to delete this account also because it's unverified. Okay, it's unverifiable. So that's something I do suggest you guys do, and make sure you guys checking your credit reports every month. I'm like going crazy right now because I'm doing a lot of paying off my debt right now. I'm getting like, lines of credit, more credit cards, 0% APR, moving things around so I can pay off my car and things like that. So I'm checking my credit like almost every day and sometimes every week, because I'm in a process right now where I'm going to apply for new credit. But for you all, where you just getting accounts deleted, you want to check to see if that account is deleted. I would check every month or sometimes twice a month to see if that account gets deleted. Now, that's just what I suggest that you guys do. But once that account is deleted or corrected, that's what you want. You can move on to other accounts that's still reporting that you want to get deleted, or you can just continue to build your credit or whatever you're doing with your credit now that the account is deleted. Now, let's go ahead and check out episode 43. What to do if the credit report agency does not correct your information. Some other things that you guys can possibly do if you're like having a hard time, these accounts just not getting deleted. This is what you guys should do in episode 43. We'll talk about that. I'll see you guys there.